This is the former president's second reported visit to Cuba for medical attention. Last year, Zuma spent some time in Cuba, only returning to South Africa days before his annual chess tournament and Christmas parties for children and the elderly in Nkandla. He briefly commented on his health scare.
Chess tournament. Kodwa kanamandla akakwazanga nokudlala awu Nkosi yami andingibuzanga ngani ukuthi nginamandla noma nginawo nabhala into ningangibuzanga sekwenze njani ngoba nginamandla manje aphelele.
One lawyer says the court proceedings will continue on Tuesday and Zuma is not expected to be physically present in court if he is unwell because it's a pre-trial date anyway.
There's no evidence reproduced or presented in court either by the former president or any other witness that belongs to the state. So it's simply what I would call housekeeping issues relating to the court. So even if he's not there, there's no transmission, there's no prejudice which is going to be suffered by the state, no prejudice which will be suffered by even President Jacob Zuma.
One analyst believes Zuma's ill health got to do with old age, but says some critics might not believe that he's actually sick.
And some people obviously would say that he is running away from the justice system. You know, we know that he was supposed to appear before the Zondo Commission. Now, so it's going to raise all sorts of questions as to whether or not he's really sick. But as I say, for a man who is approaching 80, you would expect him to be not well all the time.
Ndlovu says Zuma's legal woes are taking a toll on his health.
You remember that for the past 9 years or so, he was the president of the country. He was in power. So now he's no longer in power. And then so obviously, you know, all these legal challenges are going to keep piling up, and he doesn't have the protection that he had as president. So naturally, I would imagine that he is not well at all.
Former President Jacob Zuma's spokesperson and legal team were not available for comment. The National Prosecuting Authority says Zuma has been asked to submit a medical record. Siphamandla Koke, Durban.